Hi you guys! So today I have a video for you that's super exciting in my opinion. I have a video on how to stretch out synthetic wigs. I've been doing this for years. Having a very large head is what first inspired me to get my wigs custom made, and then what inspired me to start making my own. However, sometimes you see a style that you like and you're just like, shit, I need to pick that up, but then you remember, God, I have a really big head. Sometimes you see people on YouTube talk about how wigs are big head friendly, and they're not really. I mean, they're good for like big heads, but I have a big head and I have a lot of hair. My hair goes down to the middle of my back, just above my bum. So all you need for this is a rubbing alcohol. I use a really high percentage. The higher the better. I believe mine is 96%. I recommend getting something in the 90s for sure because it dries quicker. You need a spray bottle. This is the spray bottle I usually put my setting spray in because it has a little fan on the end. You just put batteries in it and you press the button and it. I really like it. It's kind of cute. However, I have the Zuri Kenzie. And you guys may have seen my video on this. I love this wig, but it is very tight. So, in here, it'll have all these weftings. And in the wefting, you have these little material bits here, kind of like an anchor for the weft. What you're going to do is you're going to take this, and I learned this trick from BOBBIE Pins, Bobbie's Lot Neck, whatever you go by, baby, I love you. I'll leave his link down in the description. Go check him out, Wigging Out with Bobbie Z. I'm sure you guys, a lot of you have seen his content or his wig work, but he's stunning and he does stunning wig work. So anyway, let's get this hair back. We are going to spray this down with this alcohol. I recommend doing this a night before you want to wear the wig. I'll show you guys what this looks like tomorrow because I can't show you today. I'm not putting this on when it's still wet. So I'm going to spray this bitch down with a rubbing alcohol. And remember guys, it smells very bad. Like vodka. I mean, I love vodka, but I'm not really a fan of the smell, I suppose. So I sprayed it down so it's soaked. Now, you're going to stretch it. And you'll hear threads kind of popping, but that's no problem. You don't want to like reef and tug on it really hard because that will, of course, damage it. Oh my god, it smells so bad though. You should probably do this in a ventilated area. I'm not. So if I get like a head high, that's just an added bonus. A free high. And I'm gonna spray some more. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hang this up to dry. And then I'll be back to show you guys tomorrow. That's really all that, it's really all that you have to do. So I'll be back to show you guys that it's been stretched tomorrow. See you soon. Okay, so I am back with the follow-up of the next day. As you can see, I have the wig on my head. It's not too tight at all. It can move around. It's a good amount of space in there. If I needed it stretched out more, all I would do is do the same procedure of spraying alcohol. All I would do is the same procedure of spraying alcohol in here. and just following the steps that I provided before. And it is nice and stretched. It now reaches the very end of my hairline right down here. Before it reached a little bit above. I didn't bother doing baby hairs or anything because I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing roots on this. Please make sure that if you do roots with a marker or whatever, that you that's kind of cute. Please make sure that if you do a marker root with like a permanent marker, you do it after the alcohol, because it can in fact make the root run, which of course you don't want. But other than that, you guys, it's all finished. Fits me now. Just gotta figure out how I want to rock it and wear it. Of course, we all know the lace is a little dark. If you want to go back and see the review video on that, I'll try to link that down below if I remember. I posted a review video on this wig. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this works for you. If you want to know how to stretch out human hair wigs, like wigs that you've made, I can maybe do a video on that in the future. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.